Rack assembly from selected. This will take some elements, turn them into a Revit assembly, make a sheet, and put views on the sheet. Let's look at the inputs in the Dynamo player. Here we have the assembly name. We can change that for every assembly we want to make. These are the view template names for the different views that are going to be put on the sheet. And this is the title block name, which obviously will have to exist in the project. One caveat is we may not see all of the view templates that are available in the project, but after the view is made, we can change the associated view template for the view if we need it. I will go ahead and select some elements here. And we see here in our assemblies, we do not have one called FIEQ 3000. Press play, and here it is made. These are the views that were created. This is the sheet with the views on it. Open that sheet, and here they are.